Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Arous 5-in-1 professional aluminum cosmetic rolling case. Alright, so right here we have our rolling case. It is offered in 3 different colors. You have a colorful, you got pink, which is the one I've got, and then there is white. So first off, you can see when you open up the box how beautiful this case looks like under wrapping. So it is wrapped very well, so you don't have to worry about any damage to the case itself. This is a 5-in-1 makeup case, which consists of 4 detachable compartments, so you can use the top as freely as you'd like. It does have a compartment, which is a small makeup carrying case, which has 3 drawers that can be removed and make it a 5-in-1 case, or into a 3 and 1.5 to 1 case according to your requirements. So as you can see, the case right here, it looks so beautiful. You have the back portion right here, so it's like a suitcase. You can move this up and down so it scrolls with you whenever you are on the move. The main body of this makeup case is made of ABS, which is a high density MDF material, while the edge frame and corners are made of reinforced aluminum, both of which ensures a long service life, which is high quality. Full velvet lining, which reduces the friction and products discreet the cosmetics. It is all delivering a pleasant feeling with a soft tactical aluminum tie rods, which provides a smooth operations and corrosion resistance. You can see right here are the lock mechanisms. Each one of them do lock. You do get locking keys with it. This makes up the train case, which is a load of capacity of up to 80 pounds, so you can load up to 80 pounds. So here is the top, then you're going down to the next section. So it has little compartments. You can move this whatever you like. If you don't want that one, you can use the bottom one. So put this tray back in. We're going to go and unlock the other sides. This is equipped with a 360-degree caster wheels that are retractable pull handle for easy push and pull during your journey. By unlocking and save buckles between the first and second layer, you can change the big trolley into a portable suitcase, which is suitable for short trips to handle on the top. So here is the next section. You can see how beautiful this case looks like on the side. You do have a locking mechanism, so you can lock each one of these sections. And then right here is the rollers, the wheels. You do get 4 of them, and they are super easy to install. All you got to do is pop it on, push the little things. So here is 1 key. You do get a total of 3 keys. So right here you'll see 1 key right here. And in this compartment you can use this as a nail polish holder, because this is the polish holders right here. And then you do have another key in here that just fell out. So there is the second key right here. And then you have 1 more key. So all the keys open up all the different compartments. So just going to put that aside, and you can see right here this little mesh right here, you just pop that out so you could put your nail polish in there. So that can be the section for your nail polish. It's really soft and it just goes right up in here. So in this section right here you do get another key, so you have a total of 3 keys. So each one of these keys unlocks all the compartments. So this is just for extra spare keys. We're just going to put that aside. So now we're going to go into the very bottom part, which is the biggest part. This is where you could put your brushes, you could put your hair dryer. So we're just going to unlock this one right here, pop up this compartment, and then down here you can see the beautiful design of this case right here, and you can see where they lock right here, and then they at the bottom they all connect using the thing right here at the bottom. So they just snap right on there, and then they lock. And then in this compartment you do get the very top part of the case. So this is the cosmetic train case. The top compartment can be used as a small makeup carrying case, which opens to reveal 4 accordion style trays for different storages for different essentials. You can see how this one here is really beautiful. It's really nice. So if you don't want to bring all the other compartments, you can just take this one for an easy quick makeup tutorial, or if you want to do somebody's makeup. So this one here as well has locks. So you just pop these things open. So this one is a lockable. This one does have a white dazzle fabric. The rolling case features an octagonal pattern fabric, which is unique style that reflects the different colors and different lights. So here are the compartments. These ones go outwards, and then you have the compartment at the very bottom. So if you want to have some makeup, eye stuff up here at the top, and then your bigger stuff can be here at the bottom. This one here you can take with you easily. You just push these back in, close it up. This is super convenient to take with you. And this one has an 8-key lock. It is also lockable keys for privacy and security in the case of traveling. 8 lockable notches on the top. The sides that guard your items for matching keys are included. So here at the bottom, it's a large capacity compartment which has no dividers that can store nail dryers, hair dryers, hair straighteners, spray brushes, bags, and other large items. You can see how deep this is. And then at the bottom we have the 360 swivel wheels, which is equipped for smooth and silent moving. It's got a detachable wheels that can be easily removed or replaced if needed. So we're going to go and install these wheels. You can see these little red tabs here. These red tabs, you just squeeze them in to install the wheels. You can see how deep this compartment is. So we're just going to turn this around, squeeze in these little red buttons right here, and we're going to install the wheels. So they're super easy. So you do get 4 of them. We're just going to go ahead and take them out of the plastic bag. And then we're just going to install this one. So it's got these little holes right here on the side. It says push. So you want to push the red buttons on the side and they just pop right on. So take your little finger right here, push those in, and they pop on, and they are easy to take off. All you got to do is just push the little red buttons. So now we got the last wheel to put on. You just pop that on there like that. You can see that it swivels. They're 360 degree. This does have a telescoping handle. The telescopic handle with a hexagonal rod provides a stable and strong grip when you pull it on the rods. So this is the bottom compartment. I'm going to take all the compartments and put it back on. So here's this compartment. Just pop it right on there. Flip these little things up here. And if you'd like, you can lock them. But I'm just going to go do this really quick. So I'm going to pop that one on there. And then we're going to grab the other compartments. So this compartment right here has dividers, so you can divide it up whether you want to put some makeup, nail stuff, or you want to put any other things there. That's a great thing to have with this dividers. If you do not want the divider in there, you can actually remove those dividers by sliding them upwards. So right now we're just going to lock this compartment in so we can put the top train case on. So now this one is locked in place, and now we're going to put the top train. So we're just going to line it up to the side. You can see right here, this is the back side. And then we're just going to lock the sides. So this is what it looks like with the train case all the way up. And then all the other ones are locked in place. So right here, we're just going to lock this one right here in place. The great thing about this is that it does have locking mechanism, so it does come with some keys. You can lock this for privacy. This is such a beautiful case. You can see that the color, this is the pink color. They do offer it in 3 different colors. You have the white, you have this case, and then you have a different case color, which is a multicolor. So this is what it looks like. It is super beautiful. And if you want to just use the bottom rolling part, the large capacity, all you got to do is take this on top of it. You can lock it in place, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to put this at the bottom and then just carry with you, because I don't have anything that I am going to put on the very bottom. So I'm going to just remove this one right here. So this piece comes out. So I'm just going to lock this right in here. I'm going to fit it in sideways. So if you want to just use this part, you just take the top to the top of this part, and then it'll lock on the sides. So right now I'm just going to go take the rest of the rolling case and just put it right here and lock them in place. So if you're looking for a nice beautiful rolling case for all your cosmetics or your nail supplies or anything that you need, I would highly recommend checking out this makeup case. This one here is offered in 3 different colors, and it looks very beautiful, and the wheels are super easy to put on and take off.